Good morning, it is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market doesn't open up for about an hour, but Qualcomm here, QCOM, going pretty crazy here. Pre-market had a crazy day yesterday. As you maybe didn't see, but right when I got the video rolling, I got an order out for my first 500 shares at 78.85. I'd like more than 500, but that amount would at least get my feet wet. So let's see if it can work its way up there to 78.85, and who knows, potentially some pre-market trading. Okay, I have an order at 78.95, and it's getting somewhat close. Let's see if we can capture the entry point here. I'm also going to put an order out at 79.25. 78.85 though, nice. I'm in there for my first 500. And then as you saw, I put an order out at 79.25 too. So there's the break of that. Let's see if I can get another 500 up at 79.25. All right, let's go to 79.35 now actually. So 79.35. If the price, that green line represents where I'm in the profit at. So if the candle can pull back to that green line, then that puts me in the profit. So let's see if the price can get down to that green line, and it gave me 400 of the, so now I have 100 shares. You see down here the yellow, so that represents me still needing to get rid of 100 shares. So we'll see if it wants to give them to me or what. All right, so there we go, all out there for $50. And if it wants to get back above 79, I would be interested again in restarting the process. But there we go. And let's see, the market still doesn't open for technically 40 minutes. So $50 up and the market hasn't opened, I will take it. I have an order at 79.65. Although that was the move that I was technically looking for. So let's go up to 79.75. So 79.75 next first order. So again, that green line will represent where my profit is, assuming that I first get filled. And then that'll be the line that the price would need to go back to in order to get filled. So we'll see if it can work its way up. Okay, I have an order at 79.99. Also, I'll put an order out there at 80.35 just in case it shoots up through there. But 79, well, actually at this point I need to just get up over 80. So let's go to 80.15 for my first entry point. So 80.15. We'll see if we can get up there. Okay, there's the break. That was kind of a weak break for 80. All right, well, because that was a weak break, I'm going to go to 80.25. But yeah, I can't believe it broke 80 and then only went up as high as 80.05. In the world of hindsight, shoulda, coulda, woulda, I would have been perfectly fine at 79.99 to get my the $50. But hey, that's why we're all super rich in our hindsight trading accounts. Let's see if we can get up to 80.25 though. 80.05, a lot of sellers there. Interesting. Oh, it's just sitting there. Can't break through 80.05. So it's looking like if it does get through 80.05, it should jump pretty quickly after that point. See what I mean? Okay, there's the break, and see that fast. Okay, I'm in for my first 500. go to 80.65 and then 80.85. Okay, I'm out for the $50, but I will leave that order up there at 80.65. Yeah, so 80.65. My next first entry point, so we'll see if it can get up there. And let's see, market doesn't open up for still 23 minutes, and I'm up $100. Maybe another entry point coming. Let's see. Nope. Stopped right there. That's no good. So time to go to 80.95. Actually, 99 would have worked out beautifully last time. So let's go to 80.99. And then 80.89. So 80.99. Nice, I'm in and out. Wow, that was super fast. Beautiful. 81.25. Actually, last time 35 would have been a better one. So 81.35, double checking. So what did I end up getting there? What is my math? Is that 22 cents? So I was only going for 10, but I ended up getting 22 cents because that was such a fast mover. And also, to add a little bit more context up here, you can see nailed, well, not quite nailed the high. Nailed the high within a penny though, because the highest I went was at 81. So very nice. Now up $210 and market's still not open for 22 minutes. So let's see if it can get its way up through the 81 mark. Market opens up in less than a minute now, and you can see Qualcomm has taken quite the plunge. So I am still going to watch it out of the gates, and we'll see what happens with it. But like I said, going into the quote-unquote official open, up $209. I will keep you updated. All right, order at 80.99 again. Again, that green line represents where the price would have to go down to if I get filled. So the first step is just simply getting up above the green line. So we'll see if it can make its way up. I'll keep a close eye on it. All right, getting pretty jumpy. But is it going to get jumpy enough? That is the question. All right, at this point, I'm going to go to 81.45. Keep in mind there are other things that I'm watching on other monitors, so there's more than just what you see here. So 81.45. So let's see if it can even break above 81, because that's where it got rejected from, if you remember, in pre-market. Going for the break. There is the break. So now it's all about, can the price get up to 81.45? Change my order to 81.85. Okay, I got those. Gonna put some orders out there at 82.35, but I got out there for the $50. I will keep my next order at 82.35. So another $50 to add to the gains already. So let's see if this thing wants to keep on working its way up. Okay, there's the break. Okay, I'm in for the 35s. And all out for another $50. Let's go to 82.95, double checking. So 82.95, now my next first entry point. So let me adjust this green line. So 82.95. Again, I want more than the 500 shares, but I mean, if it's going to give me $50 in a matter of seconds, I'm not going to, as I've said in past videos, you know, if I was walking down the street and I saw a $50 bill sitting on the ground and I thought, you know, if it takes me 15 seconds to bend over and pick up that $50 bill, me personally, I'm going to spend the 15 seconds to pick it up. Maybe to you, it's not worth your time, but I'm not Bill Gates, I'm not Jeff Bezos, so it is worth my time. So 82.95, let's see if it can work its way up there. Have an order at 80.75 to buy the pullback here. First 500 shares. That green line does represent the actual entry point. So 80.75, looking for a quick flush down below 81 if it can break through 81. All right, gonna go ahead and change that now to 80.51. So 80.51. Where did it bounce off of, out of curiosity? Low of 80.85. Okay, so that was still 10 cents away. All right, I'm going to pause. Great example on the power of charts. It went down and hit a low of 80.85. So personally, wasn't where I needed to be. I was still 10 cents off, but I think we can all agree that within the general vicinity of things, pretty crazy that the price pulled. Like I said, didn't hit that green line exactly, but within the vicinity of it. Am I saying charts are perfect? No, but there's sometimes people out there that try to make charts seem like they're a gimmick or they don't work or they're a joke. Like I said, I'm not saying that they're perfect. Nothing is perfect, but to just totally cast them aside, that is just not very wise. And anybody doing that, you should probably think twice about what they're saying, because I find that relatively a coincidence that the price happened to bounce right off that general area. But oh wow, we're almost at 12 minutes. That's okay. It's been a while since I've had a longer video. But let's see if I can capture another trade. Let's see, it is 9:40, so the market's only been open officially 10 minutes. Have an order at 78.75. There's the break of 79. No, 78.75, excuse me. 78.75 is my entry point, represented by the green line right there. I will keep you updated. All right, market has been open for 45 minutes, and I just want to be done, go move on with my day, do some other stuff. So I'll probably make a few more alerts in the chat room and keep a general eye on things. But as far as keeping an eye on this for the live trade video purpose, I'm going to wrap it up. Before I go though, a final few things. If you enjoyed this video and you would like for me to continue to make these, the easiest way to communicate that to me is to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other quality traders, I do offer an online community that consists of a newsletter that I send out and then a live chat room. Just go to claytrader.com, and that is called the Inner Circle. Cost being $99 per year. Not per month, per year. Do the math. Breaks down to $8.25 per month, or break it down to per week, $1.90. So I'm pretty sure that's more than fair pricing. And when you consider that over the time span of 12 months, I'm quite confident you'll get at least $99 worth of value. And then if you're interested in more so learning about how to trade with charts and use technical analysis to build a strategy that works for you, I do offer online course on that too. Again, just find that at claytrader.com. So check that stuff out. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you back next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.